I'm just starting the recording, and now we'll start our session. I hope my screen is visible. Sir, can you confirm?
Yes, we all can see you, Avi.
Okay, sir. So, good evening, everyone. Good evening to our respective faculty member, to LRA team, and my dear participants. I would like to warmly invite you all in this orientation session. I am Advocate Avi Sahai, and I'll be serving as the moderator of the certificate course. So, if you have any query or any doubt regarding the session or anything regarding the certificate course, you can reach out to me, and I would be happy to help you, all of you. So I'm really glad to see the enthusiasm in all of you, because now ADR is not just a side subject or side topic, but it is the central to the justice, how justice is delivered. And court today, as we all know, it is overburdened, and litigation process is very exhausting, and sometimes it is very expensive. Most of the time it is expensive, and it is it drains out all the energy we have. So ADR is something that many people nowadays people prefer over litigation. So for law student and for professionals, this is not just a this course will not serve uh, uh, as an add-on to your CV, but you will able to learn something in the certificate course. So it is an important subject, and I would and you will get in a different mindset, a mindset that values listening, balance, and problem solving rather than just arguments. And these are the skills that will stay with you whether you go into litigation, corporate practice, policy work, or even academics. So now we'll start. So these are the course highlights. Highlights of the course are comprehensive introduction to negotiation, mediation, conciliation, and arbitration. These are the different types of ADR methods. Now, practical insights into negotiation phases, Vatna, and dispute resolution strategies. Step-by-step understanding of mediation processes, party preparation, and best practice guidelines. Detailed study of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, arbitral tribunal, and enforcement of our awards. Exposure to the international commercial arbitration, major institutions, and cross-border dispute challenges. Now, I would like to tell you about our organization. So, Legal Research and Analysis is a dedicated platform, focuses on providing accurate and up-to-date legal insight. Our mission is to simplify complex legal matters, offering comprehensive research analysis and educational content. With a team of experienced legal professionals, we specialize in various legal fields, including family law, human rights, and global legislation. LRA Legal Service Private Limited is a distinguished private limited company dedicated to advancing education and skill development. As a recognized startup under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, we are committed to fostering innovation and excellence in the legal field. The MSME has acknowledged our effort, recognizing our contribution to the education and coaching industry. Additionally, we take pride in our scholarly publication, the Journal of Legal Research and Analysis, which serve as a platform where which serve as a platform to the scholar, student, and researcher to share their quality work and quality and academic work with us. So our courses. One side you are able to see is live courses, and other side is recorded courses. So live courses are courses in which those are ongoing courses in which you can interact and take part into the session, into the discussion. But recorded courses are those courses many learner request access to them, so we keep recording available until the next batch releases. So these are the courses which we offer, like legal research, legal drafting, criminal law. These are our live course. Then recorded courses are research writing, environmental law, women's right, legal, human rights and social justice, labor law, Indian constitution, intellectual property rights, animal rights, AI and law, banking and finance law, property rights, insolvency and bankruptcy code, family law, cyber law, contract drafting, corporate law, medical law. So if you want any detail of any of these courses, you can contact me. Now our founders. So this organization, the organization was founded by Mr. Pranav Jha sir and Mr. Uzair Ansari sir. Mr. Pranav Jha sir has served as junior research consultant at NHRC, that is National Human Rights Commission. He completed his LLM in Access to Justice from TIST Mumbai. After graduating with distinction in BA LLB honors from AMU Murshidabad, he has held positions such as Joint Secretary at the Law Society, Secretary of the Case and Club, and Senior Editor at the Law Gazette. He has interned with Yuva, NHRC, BSLSA, DLSA, and has worked under several notable legal figures like Salman Khurshid sir. Now, Mr. Uzair Ansari sir is a multifaceted individual with diverse range of achievements and experience. He is a law graduate from Aligarh Muslim University, as well as a graduate in life sciences from the same institution. He is Chief Executive Officer of LRA and has authored book across a wide range of topics such as jurisprudence and feminism, among many others. Now I would like to introduce our faculty speaker, that is Shri Vishal Vyas sir. Vishal Vyas sir is graduated in law in 2018 and cleared the Rajasthan Judicial Service examination in his very first attempt. He also completed his masters in criminology in 2019. Vishal sir is extremely passionate about legal writing and has written various legal research articles and national journals and legal websites. In his law college days, he was an active student and participated in various moot court competitions, debate, and other similar competitions. Vishal sir has a keen interest in academics and is extremely passionate about teaching, reading, writing, motivating, and mentoring young law students, trainee judges, and judicial service aspirants. Sir, I would like to invite you to share your words of inspiration with us.
Yeah, hi, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Good evening to all 120 participants here. At the very outset, I would thank Pranav and his team, Avi, Pranav, Legal Research and Analysis, for having me to interact with all of you over the span of 1 month, really. And whenever I do any kind of teaching, I always take it as an opportunity to learn myself because I believe knowledge shared is knowledge squared. So whenever I teach, whenever I interact, I always take it as an opportunity to learn a thing or two about law. And thank you for such a kind introduction, Avi. I am someone who is in judgeship from past 5 or 6 years and was a law student for 4 or 5 years. So now it has been a decade that I am a law student. First 5 years as a law student, and now 5 years as a trial court judge. So I would love to share over the next 1 month, some of my learnings in this area of law, because as a trial court judge myself, as I handled assignments, both civil and criminal and family matters, a lot of times I saw that parties, the councils which were there before me, they thought that the real winner in the litigation is someone who has not lost money, not lost expenses, not lost a lot of time, really. Okay. So the real winner in those cases would become someone who has not lost a lot of money. And if the dispute gets settled amicably, so that is the most happy situation for everyone, not just the parties, but for the judge itself, that both the parties are not fighting it out, the battle in the court of law, but coming to the court and really asking that whether there is any mechanism that we can settle this outside court. So in that terms, the ADR mechanism and the alternative dispute resolution, the whole course which the legal research and analysis team has brought for you becomes important. And if you look at the curriculum, because they have shared you this curriculum, this course is designed in such a way that even if you are someone who is not aware about ADR at all, I really hope that after this 1 month of course, you would be equipped with the relevant knowledge so as to, represent clients in the matter of ADR or be someone who wants to teach the ADR and the methods, someone who wants to go in the academics and teach these, or even if you are just a law student and intrigued by the idea of learning ADR mechanism. Okay, just that really. For that, this session becomes important. So, just to give you brief, idea that I'll try to make sessions as simplistic as possible, because the idea of learning law is to, that if you can understand and make understand a legal topic to your non-law friend or your nephew or a niece who is a 6 year old, and that can understand that legal topic, so with that idea, I'll consider my job done. If you can understand it by that methodology, and over the next 1 month, I want that as soon as I'm completing one session, I want your doubts, all kind of doubts really, or not just related to session, but generally what you wish to ask, because I believe that this is a very great opportunity to interact with a sitting judge over a period of 1 month, and just share, and I'll just share my some of those experience which I have observed in the past 1 month. So I'm someone who is also into academics, and tried dipping my hands into teaching from past 5 years. I have mentored judicial services aspirants right after I cleared my exam. So I'm teaching aspiring judges. I've also gone to the various judicial academies and delivered lectures to trainee judges as well. So according to my experience of teaching also, I'll try to bring some of those learnings with whatever little I have interacted with trainee judges or the people who are from legal fraternity, and in the process learn a thing one or two from you guys, because I see a lot of 115 participants are there. So I hope all these participants, they remain and present in the coming days as well. So that's it from my side. Over to you, Avi.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words, and we are honored to have you with us. Thank you for agreeing and taking classes, taking sessions for the certificate course. Now, Pranav sir is also with us, so
Yes, yes, yes.
I would like to invite you, sir, to share your words of inspiration with us.
Thank you so much, Avi. And again, I would also like to add on to Avi's statement. So, Vishal sir, thank you so much for taking our time. I believe this is the second certificate course which you are taking with us. So, we all are very grateful that despite of the paucity of time, you try to manage, and your intention to serve justice and also for the betterment of the society is something which is very inspiring for all of us. So, thank you so much, sir, from core of our heart. I believe that all the participants who have taken this particular certificate course are one of the luckiest batch till date, because by far we have not invited any sitting judge to be a faculty. So I think that it's on you to maximize the use of this particular timeline, because it's just a matter of 8 to 10 classes. But then you won't, if you intern, that's a different thing altogether. But then to get in direct hand-in-hand approach with a person who is actually taking up the matters related to ADR and other issues also, maybe this is the best thing that can happen to anyone. So all the best with this. I believe that as an organization, as an institute, we always try to foster the sense of engagement with all the students, all the participants, and make sure that whatever we couldn't learn when we were doing law, at least the upcoming law graduates, or also those who maybe in their law colleges or have not had the opportunity of learning or knowing the very important aspects of drafting and other areas of legal terminologies. I think that this is the right time we are trying to make everything possible at one platform. If you see, we run multiple certificate courses on similar nature, be it legal drafting, legal research, ADR, contract drafting, corporate law, cyber law, family law. Right now, we also did a certificate course on animal rights, mental health. So we try to engage only those certificate courses which are actually not very much available within the public domain. But again, these are of pivotal importance. I very much keep on repeating this. So I would like to wish all the best to all the participants who have joined this certificate course. Try to be very sincere with all the lectures. Avi will definitely provide you the recorded lectures, but I personally always keep on saying this. I never rely on the same because I personally feel that if you have an opportunity to attend the window of live lecture, you must do that because you know in the YouTube and other public domain also you will get ample of information. But in the live lectures, you can ask your doubt then and there. I think this makes something different, or our certificate course also different as far as other different platforms are concerned. So try to maximize the use of the present time and try to be present. Try to also understand that once you complete this whole process, we will anyway guide you about one more aspect that is about the assignment. Again, assignment is an important aspect of all the certificate courses which we ask people to take up. The very big reason is that we are not here to sell certificate, neither you are here to buy certificates. To try to understand that we have to have a dialogue and also discussion, and also all those ideas that are coming up within the discussion, you have to pen down all those thought process into a manuscript. So that's why you need to submit 2000 to 2500 words article and submit on our web on our email ID. I think all the details will be shared with Avi. All the guidelines, framework, everything will be shared with you. So do not hurry and hustle. It's just that I want you all to also understand the importance of your active participations. I believe from now onwards only we are receiving some queries about the notes and other aspects. So I think that Vishal sir is the best person who can answer this. But then I personally feel that if at all any faculty is sharing the notes or PDF or any study material for that matter, it's well and good. But then you all should very much be prepared with all the topics since you have already been provided the timeline. So by beforehand, you should read about that particular topic so that you do not have a blank idea of it, so that you at least basic information is curated so that further a chain of process can happen. And as far as notes and other aspect is concerned, maybe you can discuss with Avi. He is the moderator of the session. Yes, Vishal sir.
So just to add to a couple of questions and just to add to what you just said, first about your course, because I have delivered lectures via online mode on a lot of platforms, but none of these platforms are after the sessions kind of taking test of the participants and asking them to either write something or publish something or whatever your course is offering. Because I was just going through the whole curriculum and what you guys are offering, so that makes these sessions ever more serious, because not just the participants are just listening in a webinar like just another webinar, but they are also um, giving their feedback by way of what they have learned. So this makes the speaker a lot more in pressure that he have to put participants in that mindset that they are able to write well. So that is something which your course is doing, which makes it class apart. Just to add to couple of questions regarding the notes and all, because I did already I'm doing a course with legal research and analysis on legal research and writing, and I have taken just one class and I'll take another class after a couple of days. So what I do really is in my teachings is that I just share PPT, I just share my screen, and by way of PPT I teach it, because I think if and those PPTs are also very crisp and to the point, and it's not like you will see a lot of matter or text written in that PPT or presentation, because that is not the idea of presentation. A lot of presentations which we see sometimes unfortunately have a lot of text written on them. So what I do, I try to teach law by fun and games. So I try to create those PPTs in a manner that would engage audience, and that would give them a fair bit of an idea and not just notes. So I would advise that take that PPT as a broad guideline, but as far as I am concerned, I always advise that whenever it is about law, the best method is to go to the statute. The best method is go to the Bare Act, the best method is go to the judgments and not go for shortcuts, that is notes, right? So as far as this series is concerned, from my end, I would be sharing those PPTs with Avi and Pranav and the team, and they can share those PPT after the session, not before the session. So they can share those PPT and slides with you. And I advise that you read, really the bare act of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, the important provisions, the judgment, the law reports, and all of that. So that's it from my end.
Thank you so much, Vishal sir, to add on to it, because I believe that we always give this liberty to the faculty or the speaker to provide the study material. But it is so nice of you, sir, to already promise that you are going to provide the PPT. So I think that all the doubts are cleared. Now I think we can open the forum for the orientation program for the participant. Vishal sir, I understand the paucity of the time, but still, if you wish to stay with us, we are happy to host you. But then, if you would want to leave, it's on you, sir.
No, I'll be here for the general questions if they have any for
Okay,
next 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'll.
perfect, perfect. So nice of you, sir. Thank you so much. Avi, you can quickly start the orientation program.
Yes, sir. So, sir, I'll just tell the guidelines first, and then I'll start. I'll open
Yes,
the
yes, yes.
for the
Please, please,
participants.
please.
So, there are few guidelines which you have to follow. One is attendance. So, please join with your real name, proper name, so that we can track your attendance. Then, secondly, you have to keep your camera on during the session for better participation. Keep your microphone muted until and unless you are invited to speak. Then maintain professionalism and respect throughout the course. And in the timeline, you must have seen other guidelines as well, and you have also seen the WhatsApp guidelines which we share with the timeline. So please go through it. And it is very important to go through the timeline to the guidelines, because it is strictly prohibited to use the WhatsApp group for your personal use. Strictly, it can only be used for academics. There should be no personal messaging. You cannot take number of participants and message them, because then we'll take strict action. And then Pranav sir has already told you that you have to submit an assignment. So you have to choose a topic. It should be related to arbitration law, should be related to ADR, and then you have to prepare a research paper. And after that, you have to submit it through the Google form, which we'll be sharing after the concluding session. We will tell you about the research paper at length in the concluding session. In the orientation session, we are just mentioning it, that you have to make an assignment, so you can start it after the orientation session. So now I'm opening the floor for the participants. You can tell your name, your background, and your motivation or the reason why you enrolled in this course. So you can raise your hand. I'll give you access to speak, and then you can unmute yourself. Yes, Harish, you can unmute yourself. I'll just a minute. I'll give you access. Yes, sir. Now you can unmute yourself. Yes, sir. You are audible. And other participants, please
Yes.
mute yourself. Only Harish, sir, you can unmute yourself. Yes, sir. Now you can introduce yourself.
This is Ravi Rawal, District Court Advocate in Delhi. And I live
Sir, your voice is not clear actually.
I'm Harish Rawat, Advocate, District Court Delhi.
Yes, sir.
And yes,
Sir, I think so. There is some network issue. You can rejoin and then.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, Akshat Seth, you can unmute yourself.
Good evening, sir. This is Akshat Seth. I am from Saharanpur. I am a non-advocate, but I am into third-party litigation funding for meritorious cases, especially for the underprivileged people who cannot fight against powerful, well-funded opponents. And this alternate dispute resolution, I think it's a very good mechanism which has a lot of promise. But what I'm finding difficult is, and I need your guidance on that, sir, is how should a non-advocate like myself, with the help of other advocates who are working with me, can set up an ADR firm and find clients to resolve disputes?
Avi, can I answer that?
Yes, sir.
Is that question to me? Yeah. So that's a great initiative. First of all, considering that you are not from legal fraternity, because that's something which we do not see normally. Generally, lawyers and some law students they go for ADR mechanism and they try really help to litigants and parties. But you asked a very important question that you want to set a kind of an ADR firm on an organization. For that, I think firstly it's a well good start that you are joining this course, because before doing anything, before starting anything, I think it's necessary to learn the requisite skills, the necessary tips and tricks and techniques, because a lot of these ADR mechanism, for example, mediation, this is something for which there is a separate training itself to become a certified mediator. Okay. Similarly, for negotiation, it's necessary for you to take a certified negotiation training, negotiator training. So I think what this course would do for you personally, as that since you're not from a legal fraternity and you do not have a lot of, I'm assuming, idea about the legal provisions, that would give you or put you at least at the same pedestal or level with that of a person who is a lawyer. Okay. So for starters, you have joined this course, and I would and I said and I told this at the very outset that I will teach this course in a way that maybe some of you have a little bit of idea about ADR, but I would go with this presumption that that most of you do not have that idea, because it's always easy to write on a blank sheet of paper in comparison to write on something on which it is already written. Okay, so I think that answers your question.
Thank you so much, sir. It does.
Thank you, sir. Let's move on to the next participant. Vijay Mishrani, you can unmute yourself.
Good evening.
Good
This
evening.
is Ajay Mishrani here. Again, I'm not from a legal background. I'm a banker by profession. And exactly like Akshat, I would like to set up my own ADR setup so that work for, I mean, clients who are spending a lot of money, lot of time in courts. So looking forward to the session.
Thank you so much, sir. It's very nice to have you with us. Shaurya, you can unmute yourself.
हेलो
Uh,
हेलो माय नेम इज सौर्य
जी जी
और मैं हिंदी में कंफर्टेबल हूँ बात करने में
बिल्कुल
तो
बिल्कुल शौर्य, अगर आप अपना वीडियो भी टर्न ऑन कर लेंगे तो बड़ी अच्छी बात है. It's a
वीडियो
general suggestion to everyone that whoever is introducing, please be courteous enough to turn on your cameras, maybe just for a minute or so, and then you can turn it off. Yeah, Shaurya जी, आप कुछ कह रहे थे.
हाँ मैं वीडियो अगले सेशन में कर लूँगा क्योंकि मैं अभी
ठीक है,
प्रॉपर
ठीक है.
सेटअप में नहीं हूँ
जी 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 जी, बताइए.
तो मैं लीगल बैकग्राउंड से नहीं हूँ मैं कंटेंट राइटर हूँ बाय प्रोफेशन और मैं चाहता हूँ कि लीगल जो एक हमारे बिहार में काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम है जैसे कि जस्टिस डिले जस्टिस डिनाइड ऐसा हम सुनते हैं तो वो सिचुएशन बिहार में तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा है तो अदर स्टेट में तो ठीक भी है पर बिहार में इतनी पॉपुलेशन है इतना है तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि एक अपने यहाँ पे सेम जो अभी 3-4 पार्टिसिपेंट ने बताए थे कि एडीआर फर्म सेट करना है तो वो उसी पर्सपेक्टिव से मैं इस कोर्स को ज्वाइन किया हूँ जिससे कि मुझे प्रॉपर नॉलेज मिल सके और मैं इंटर्नशिप वगैरह स्टार्ट करके मैं खुद को पहले ट्रेन कर लूँ, फिर आगे मैं इस फील्ड में आगे बढ़ूँ।
थैंक यू सो मच शौर्य फॉर कमिंग फॉरवर्ड, आप इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए। एंड आई होप सो अभी विशाल सर ने हमारे एक पार्टिसिपेंट को आंसर किया था, तो आपका भी वो क्वेश्चन फिर आंसर हो गया होगा कि आपको आगे कैसे प्रोसीड करना है। तो वेलकम टू द कोर्स एंड आई होप सो आप इस कोर्स से सीख के जाएं और आप अपना जो भी आप स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं वो स्टार्ट कर पाएं।
जी मैम, थैंक यू।
Uh,
I would just take a minute to,
yes, sir.
yeah, so I would leave guys because of some prior commitments. So I'll see you in tomorrow class, which is the first class. And like Pranav said, it would be, great that you turn on your camera. So it would be not like talking to the wall. So आप सब अपने cameras on रखिएगा. And I hope to see you in tomorrow's class, and whatever little doubts you have, we can reserve them for later. So as of now, I'll leave Avi if that is permitted.
Yes, sir.
Completely all right, sir. So thank you so
Oh,
much for the time, sir.
okay, okay.
Maybe students will have the window of 1 month for you, sir. So
Yeah,
no
yeah.
hurry at
Thanks
all.
for
Thank you
having me,
so much, sir.
Pranav. Thanks for having me, guys. Bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir. Yes, Vishal Soni, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, you
Yes,
are.
sir. Very.
Okay, very good. Yeah, thank you for giving me opportunity. So my name is Vishal Soni, and I come from engineering as well as the legal background. So I have a rich experience of 25 years in the core engineering, which is computer science, the cyber, the IPRs, and so on. And now, for the purpose for me joining this course is that now at this juncture, I am seeing that how can I contribute to our nation in imparting the knowledge what I have already got it, and then how I can put it to use for the solving the various practical problems in the resolution of the various disputes and so on. And that is the whole purpose. And I'm happy to join. I am seeing that it's a good ecosystem here for the learners. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It's nice
Yeah.
to have you with us,
Yeah.
and your background will definitely add on to the sessions as well.
Yeah.
So
Sure.
thank you for joining the session.
Yeah.
Now,
Thank you, Vishal, sir.
Yeah.
Nitesh
You're
Kumar.
welcome.
Nitesh Kumar, you can unmute yourself.
Nitesh, I think that we are unable to hear you out. Can you try fixing your mic?
Uh, till then, I'm answering Shubhiksha Advocate. I'm telling you about the assignment. So you have to write an assignment. You can choose a topic. It's up to you which topic you want to choose. And but it should be related to ADR because you are enrolled in the course of certificate course of ADR. So choose a topic, start writing an assignment, and how you have to submit it and other query. I'll be telling you this at length in the concluding session.
Yes, Nitesh, you try reconnecting.
Till then,
I,
Sakshi.
I think your headphone is not working correctly, Nitesh. Try reconnecting it. By then, you can switch on to someone else.
Yes, sir. So Sakshi Pratyush, you can unmute yourself.
Very good evening, ma'am. Myself, Advocate Sakshi Pratyush, Bar Council of Delhi. Currently, I am pursuing LLM in corporate banking and insurance law. Ma'am, the reason why I have choose this certificate course is like first of all, so I in this is my final semester and this time I'm having ADR as a subject as well. So I want more specialization and more knowledge about this. And the second is, ma'am, the ongoing trend of the ADR in national and international perspective both, and the moment I came to know about the international law, I was very enthusiastic to know about what the ADR actually do and what it don't do. And because international law don't have binding effects as well, so that's why, ma'am.
That's a good time to explore actually, and this course will give you at least solid foundation about ADR.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
thank you for joining this course, and I hope so you'll be able to learn with us in this certificate course. Uh,
Sure, ma'am.
Suman Yadav, you can unmute yourself.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I am a law student. Right now, I'm just learning about more HR. So I joined the course.
Yes, Suman. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining the course. And it's a great time. It's great that you are thinking this early to join this course, and you're gaining knowledge about ADR, because this will help you after you completed your LLB. So this will help you for sure. So thank you for joining this course, and I hope so you'll learn something with us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Nitish Kumar, you can try. No, you are not audible, sir. Suman, you were saying something? Okay, Achal Yadav, you can unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am. Myself, Achal Yadav. Currently, I am pursuing LLB 3 year and I am in second year LLB. So, I got to know about arbitration during my labor law classes. So, I started gaining I wanted to have an exposure in ADR so that I can further pursue ADR as a mediation, as an arbitrator. So, yeah, that is my goal for right now.
It's really great that you joined this course, because learning about ADR is very important. It is actually the need of an hour, because
Yes, ma'am.
we have courts which are overburdened, so we need these type of methods to solve our cases, or resolve our disputes. So this is one of the most emerging field right now. So after
Yes,
completing
ma'am.
your LLB, you will be able to practice in this field. You can you can do internship in these type of fields. So it will be very helpful for you. Thank you for joining
Yes,
the
ma'am.
course.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Vinod Pavada, you can unmute yourself.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening.
I am Vinod from Vizag,
Yes, sir.
Andhra Pradesh, madam.
Yes, sir.
Now I am doing the final LLB. So it is ADR also one of the subject in my class. So I want to know more about this ADR class, and I want to improve in this ADR techniques in the legal aspects in future. Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining this course. And sir, you are such an inspiration, because at this age also you are learning. So we'll get inspired, and your background will definitely add on to the discussion as well. So thank you for joining this course.
Thank you.
Anita Singh, you can unmute yourself.
A very good evening to all the members. This is Anita Rawat, principal of a school, and I'm also pursuing LLB after completing like MA, BA, BEd. So my question is, you just told us to prepare an assignment. So could you please provide us a sample so that we could learn more from the sample and we could start writing, start choosing topics? This
Yes,
is the
ma'am. I'll
question.
share the sample. I'll share the sample with you in the group itself. And
Okay,
ma'am,
thank
thank
you.
you for joining the course. And you are also an inspiration for all of us.
No, I'm
Thank you
very
for
happy to be here. Thank you so much, ma'am.
now Anurag Agarwal, you can unmute yourself. You are not audible, Anurag. Once try to reconnect your earphone or something. Maybe that is the issue. No, you are not. No, Nitish, you are also not audible. Please try to reconnect your earphones or headphones. Maybe that would help. Till then, Sai Lakshmi, you can unmute yourself.
Good evening, Avi. This is Sai Lakshmi Krishnamurthy, and you know me already. I've been in, I've completed 2 courses with
Yes,
LRA, and
I
then
know you.
I'm now currently doing criminal law with LRA. So this is my 4th course with LRA. So you guys have been amazing from the first one as well. So for me, choosing ADR, again, uh, as a final year law student, just want to, get to know about how the legal field work. And when it comes to arbitration is something, is a speedy recovery for, people to go ahead with the cases instead of going for a litigation, especially for family cases, property disputes. Arbitration mediation or something, a mode of a forum to make sure it is a speedy recovery. So
Resolve your dispute. Yes,
yeah,
yes.
yes. So that is one of the foremost point why I've joined ADR. So thank you for always being supportive, and thanks to Pranav sir and LRA as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sai Lakshmi, for your kind words, and hope so we'll see you in other courses as well, because you have already taken 4 courses. Now we'll be seeing you in other courses as well. We hope so we'll see you, and thank you so much for joining this course.
Thank you.
Siddharth Masal, you can unmute yourself.
Good evening, everybody. Myself Siddharth Masana, and I am pursuing LLB and CS means company secretary, and I have a exam of CS professional in December, and I have got knowledge. Means I got a knowledge about arbitration, mediation, conciliation in our syllabus. So I got more interest about this course. So I want to explore more about and what are the opportunities I can explore in this course and more in arbitration. So I did.
Thank you, Siddharth, for joining this course. Let's hear from the next participant. Yes, Vivek Shukla, you can unmute yourself. No, Nitish, you're not audible. I don't know why it is not
Hello.
audible.
Hello.
Yes.
Good
Yes, sir.
evening. I
Good
am
evening.
Vivek Shukla from Chhattisgarh.
Yes, sir.
Lokpal Manrega I am. I am for gaining more knowledge in ADIR. I am doing this course and resolving dispute through ADR. I think this Arbitration and Conciliation Act has very bright future. For this, I am joining this.
Thank you so
Hello.
much. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so
Oh,
much, sir.
yes, yes.
Yes, sir. And actually, your practical experience will also add on to the discussions as well. So thank you for joining this course. Yes, Nitish Kumar, you can unmute, try unmuting yourself. Aryan Aditya, you can unmute yourself.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. This is Aryan Aditya. I am a fifth year law student at Sharda University.
Yes,
So,
yes.
as far as the reason behind me enrolling myself into this course is concerned, through all the years of my internships under different lawyers and law firms, I have come across a lot of people and seen a lot of toil on their faces, a lot of drag in their lives just because of lengthy litigations. 5 years, 6 years, 10 years, they just pass by like nothing, and people are left with no justice in their hands. So, in that light, I believe arbitration, mediation, negotiation, and alternate dispute resolution altogether acts as a beacon of hope for them. It is expeditious. It is much more convenient for people who seek justice in the truth, and also with the kind of significance arbitration is gaining in the world forum these days, especially international commercial arbitration. I think it is something that every young lawyer must forward towards, and I look forward towards learning a lot of things from this course. Thank you.
Couldn't agree more, Arjun. And yes, this is the need of an art. So we have to learn about arbitration. We cannot skip this part. So thank you for joining this course, and I hope so you'll be able to learn with us. And we will have the best faculty. So I hope so we learn something. We all of us will learn something from the certificate course. Satyendra Krishna GB, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah, ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah, ma'am. Good evening, one and all. My name is Satyendra Krishna. I am from Hyderabad, Telangana. Actually, we are from Mahatma Gandhi Law College, madam. Actually, this ADR is our subject in fifth sem. So we were very desperate to know what is ADR. So coming across the subject, it was very interesting to know that this kind of litigations can be solved apart from the courts, and which is very reasonable, and it is helpful to people. So I wanted to explore more about the subject. So what I thought that this would be an helpful platform for me to getting the knowledge and can add on to my subject, madam. That's what I have taken this course. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining this course. And that is actually a good time because you have a subject in your course curriculum, so you'll be able to learn from this certificate course, and you can inculcate those learning into your course curriculum. So thank you for joining this course, and I hope so you'll be able to learn something with us. Shrishti, you can unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Hi, everyone. This is Shrishti. I am a final year DLB student. So, after all the confusion, I have made my mind to pursue my career in arbitration. So, I have done my internship under the Office of Arbitrator. Now, currently, I'm pursuing my internship in a law firm in the arbitration team only. So I guess and I believe that this course will definitely enhance in my knowledge, which will further increase my drafting skills. So just looking forward to it, and thank you so much, ma'am, for this course. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Shrishti, for joining this course. Hima Bindu, you can unmute yourself. Till then, Neha Maheshwari, you can unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, is it audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, this is Hima Bindu from Hyderabad. I'm a final year student of LLB honors. I'm a freelance journalist too. And recently we have subject in final year ADR mechanism. I just want deep knowledge on this one. That's why I joined this course.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining this course. And I hope so you'll be learning something from us in this certificate course, as we have the best faculty, as I already told you. Yes, Neha Maheshwari, you can unmute yourself.
Good evening, everyone. This is Neha Maheshwari. I'm a third year BBA LLB student at Banasthali Vidyapeeth. Currently, I am an active member of ADR club at our Banasthali Vidyapeeth. So, looking forward to gain experience so that I can contribute to my college club as well and explore this ADR as a career option as well.
Oh, thank you, Neha. Thank you for joining this course and all the best for your career. Arpita Yadav, you can unmute yourself.
I am Arpita Yadav, pursuing 3-year LLB, and I joined this course because I am going to corporate field and join this course, learn about the corporate legal drafting and.
Ma'am, actually, your voice is not clear.
But as network issues.
Okay, ma'am, it's okay. You can text me if you have any query, if you want to ask anything. You can text me because your voice is really low. Okay, no issue. Anurag Agrawal, now you can try unmuting yourself. Anurag? One second. Once try to speak. Your voice is really low. It's like I'm not able to hear you. Yes, Chanchal Yadav, you can unmute yourself.
Hello, am I
Yes.
audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are.
Ma'am, my name is Chanchal Yadav. Currently, I'm pursuing my LLM in ADR as well from IP University. So, my question is about the internship opportunity what you will provide us. So, I want to ask about that.
So I'll be telling about the internship opportunity by the end of this course in the concluding session. But we have two type of internship. One is legal internship and second one is content creation internship. So as you all know, we have our journal. So we have our content creation team to write research paper if anybody is interested in that type of internship. So we have both type of internship and we offer those internship. But I'll be telling you all of these things in the concluding session.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Chanchal, for joining this course. Priyanka Datta, you can unmute yourself.
Hello, everyone. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
My name is Priyanka, and I'm a final year student in an NLU currently. Throughout my studies, I've become increasingly interested in how ADR offers more tailored and efficient solution to complex disputes compared to the traditional litigation. So I have specializations in IPR, intellectual property rights, and business law. So I'm actively looking for guidance on how to transition from academic study to basically practical ADR practice in this particular course. So that's all. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you, Priyanka, for joining the course. Manalicha Bizbarua, you can unmute yourself. I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrongly.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay, namaste everyone. Good evening.
Good evening.
So I am pursuing my BLLB from Guwahati, Assam, and my sole reason for joining this course is basically to enhance my knowledge regarding ADR and to know as to what career opportunities we can actually explore in this field. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Am I audible, ma'am, this time?
Yes, you are audible. Just give
Thank
me a minute. Thank you so much for joining this course, and I hope so you'll be able to learn something from us in the certificate course. Thank you
Yes,
for
ma'am.
welcome to the course. Yes, Nitish, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Nitesh. I'm in defense for last 17 plus years of service. I will be retiring in coming 3 to 4 years. And I'm planning for some roles in HR. I'm already pursuing my master's in HR. So to advance my knowledge in legal mediation, arbitration, I just wanted to learn the basics of mediation arbitration because I think a lot of matters can be resolved rather than going to some court or other than by mediation and talking to each other with the help of some counselor or some mediator in between. So that's why I was going through Google and I come to know about this course. I suddenly joined it from where I was sitting. I was outside somewhere and I joined it. I have some query, ma'am. I just wanted to know if there are some pre-reads or the assignment because this is totally new to my section. I'm not from a legal background. So how I have to go through the assignment? What is the procedure? Is there same assignments made through which we can go and we can learn this is the way which we have to make the assignments. So it will be helpful for me to go through them.
Yes, sir. I'll share one demo article, one demo assignment, which one of our participants from some other course have shared it with us, and we have published it on our website. So I'll share that assignment. You can have an idea how to prepare an assignment because you are not from. Many of you must have not been come across the research paper or article. So I'll share that, and you can have an idea and then start your research paper. It's just that you have to choose a topic that is related to ADR. Just this is the requirement. Other than that, we are not giving you any topic, or we are not saying you have to write topic or you have to make an assignment on this topic. It's up to you. I'll share the demo article after the session.
The topics which we will choose, we have to show it prior to you that we have been selecting this topic, or you will be providing some topics out of which we have to write it.
No. It's up to you. ADR, you can go through our timeline if you want to choose any topic from our timeline. It's up to you. You can choose any topic, and you do not need not to take our approval for that topic. It's up to you.
Out of all the topics which we are going to discuss in coming this 1 month, we have to write 2,200 to 2,500 words in all only article or only those selected topics.
No, sir. That is an option. You can take your if you are not from this legal field, so you don't have an idea about so you can take topic from that timeline. You can have an idea from that timeline. You don't need to take approval from us. There is no need of taking approval from us.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir, for joining this course. Manish Srivastav, you can unmute yourself.
Good evening, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Manish Srivastav. I'm a working professional having 17 years experience in project management and contract handling, which I feel that it is a very vital source of litigation. While contract handling, it becomes ultimately, sometimes it becomes a source of litigation. I'm also having exposure of working in contract department, wherein arbitration is one of the section. So I'm having a little bit exposure of arbitration. Ma'am, my expectation with this course is that it should be embedded with some of the reference and the brief of the landmark cases in A and C, which has now become a settled law. And also, my expectation is that I should get a guidance as to how to get the reference of the concerned court judgment or related court judgment uh, with various arbitration cases which we are coming across. Thank you.
Yes, sir. So, without landmark cases, we cannot talk about or we cannot teach arbitration, because arbitration is built on those landmark cases. So, we'll be definitely discussing those cases in the session. It's just that we have not specifically mentioned about those cases, but landmark cases will be dealt here in the session. And even after the session, if you have any doubt, if you want any reference or something, you can contact me.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for joining this course. Himanshi Agrawal, you can unmute yourself.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
My name is Himanshi Agrawal, and I'm currently pursuing BCom LLB third year from Banistali Vidyapeeth. And through this certificate course, I will explore more about ADR, and this course will somehow enhance my skills in this field.
Yes,
and I'm happy to join this course.
We are
Thank
also
you,
very
ma'am.
happy to have you with us. And Himanshi, this course will definitely enhance your knowledge at least. And then practical experience you have to gain yourself, but this course will definitely enhance your knowledge. And I hope so you'll learn something from us in this certificate course. And you have any doubt, you can contact me.
Thank you.
Yes, Satish Hoda, you can unmute yourself.
Good evening, everyone. I am Satish Huda, advocate practicing in Delhi. I want to learn about ADR, particularly in arbitration.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining this course, and your experience will definitely add on to our discussions. And you are an inspiration, because even after being an advocate, you are trying to enhance your knowledge in these type of fields. So thank you for joining this course. Yes, Anurag Agarwal, you can try unmuting yourself.
Yes, I hope I should be audible right now.
Yes, you are audible now.
Okay, so sorry for disturbing the session, but I actually changed my device. So I'm from Guwahati, Assam, and I'm currently a student of LLB program, 3 years in the last semester of my course. So basically, my question was, in do you see meaningful demand in um, non-corporate regions like tier 2, 3 cities, which are not metro, like not Delhi or Bangalore, like other cities where there is meaningful demand of ADR and this conciliation program, arbitration and negotiations?
Yes, even I'm not from a tier 1 city. I'm from Allahabad, that is tier 2 or tier 3 city. I'm not sure about that. So, in that, even in Allahabad, I have seen people are now inclined towards ADR procedure, because litigation is very expensive, very tiring, and everybody cannot go into these go into these type of litigation. So they are choosing these type of mechanism to solve their dispute. And if now we talk about a contracts, even if you read any contract, there must be having one clause of arbitration, that if there is any dispute, we'll refer this matter to arbitration. So there is need, even if you are from tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 city, it doesn't matter. This is the need of an hour, and we have to learn, so that we have, like you can see, Satish sir, he's an advocate, he's practicing in Delhi, but still he wants to upgrade himself, because there is a need of an hour that we have to learn ADR. We cannot skip this part. And even if you go for if for divorce cases in Supreme Court, so they will first refer your matter to the mediation. Most of our client ask us to ask the Supreme Court that please refer our matter to the mediation. So it is very important, and people are inclined toward these type of methods.
Okay.
Once you'll come into practice, then you will understand.
Yes, yes. So, as a law student, what should be the areas I should focus on while learning, which helps me to get more specialized in the ADRs part as well?
That I'm not an expert in ADR. I'm just learning. So you can ask Vishal sir from tomorrow. He'll take this session. He'll tell you in which field. And basically, you have to learn about lok adalat, negotiation, mediation, arbitration, conciliation. You have to have the hold of these topics. Other than that, Vishal sir is the better person who can answer this question.
Surely, thank you. And my last question for you is that I read something there was mentioned as 10% plagiarism about our assignment. So please, this topic, what was plagiarism? Please explain it to us because it was not very clear to me.
See, plagiarism means, for example, I am writing a research paper. I'm not writing an essay, I'm writing a research paper. So I'll be taking some ideas from other authors. I'll be writing those ideas in my research paper. That means I am taking their idea and implementing in my research article. That is wrong. If I'll not give credit to those authors, that is wrong because I'm taking their idea. So we have to. You have seen citations. You have seen footnotes.
Bibliography, it's like just mentioning the bibliographies.
Yes, no, bibliography. Yes,
Reference.
kind of that. Referring. That is plagiarism.
Okay.
Okay. Now you got your answer?
Yes. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Yes, Sabrina Sakla, you can unmute yourself. I'm really sorry if I'm not pronouncing your name wrongly.
No. It's perfectly fine. And you're pronouncing it right. So hi everyone, and hello ma'am. My name is Sabrina. I'm really happy to be part of this ADR course organized by Legal Research and Analysis, and I've completed my master's degree in the United Kingdom, which helped me build a strong interest in legal research, analysis, and dispute resolution as well. I'm especially interested in learning more about alternative dispute resolution mechanisms and how that can be practiced in real life cases. And I'm also looking forward to learn from the organizers and interacting with everyone here. So thank you for the opportunity. And also, I also have a query as well, if it's okay.
Yes, ask.
Yeah, about the assignment that you mentioned in the PDF, will there be any assistance provided from your team during the submission, like in case of any doubts, or is it solely on the participants to submit the essay?
No. We'll provide you guidance. It's not like we'll teach you how to write a research paper because we are not offering that here. We have a separate course on research writing that is different. But if you have any query or any doubt while preparing your research paper or while submitting your research paper, we'll be there to help you, because many of the participants must be writing this research paper for the very first time. So we cannot leave it on them. So we'll be there to guide you, and I am the point person. You can contact me, and if I'll be able to solve it, then it's okay. Otherwise, I'll talk to my supervisors and I'll try to solve your doubts or any query or any problem you are facing at that time.
Okay, that's very helpful. Thank you so much. I'm really excited to be a part of this program. Thank you.
Thank you, Sabrina, for joining this course, and I hope so you will have a great experience with us, and we'll be able to see you in other certificate courses as well.
Sure. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Yes, Sana Khan, you can unmute yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sana Khan. I'm right now practicing law in Jabalpur High Court, as well as I'm a trained mediator. And at the same time, I'm actually pursuing PhD also in mediation. So my major reason for joining this coursework is to gain certain knowledge in this regard, as well as I got many cases to refer to me for the arbitration. So I want to learn more about it so that I can do justice to those cases which has been referred for to me as a mediator, because those cases are arbitration cases that has been referred to me. So I want to know more about arbitration so that I can settle those matters. So that is the core reason for joining this coursework.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining this course, and your practical experience will really help us, and we are honored to have you with us because you have a practical experience which we are still learning. So thank you for joining this course.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
yes, Ananya, you can unmute yourself.
Yes. Good evening. I am Ananya Mukherjee. I am currently a first year law student in Nalsa University of Law, Hyderabad. And honestly, I have done 2-3 courses before as well with legal research and analysis. I did the cyber law, and now I'm doing AI and cyber law again. So honestly, ADR has always been interesting to me. I did legal studies in my 11th and 12th standard as well. So during that period, we studied about ADR, and it seems like quite an interesting thing. And like there's a future the field is just growing. So I truly wanted to explore that. And with this course, I hope I'll be able to do so. Thank you.
Thank you, Ananya. And it's really great that you are thinking about this very early, because you are in the first year of your college, but it's very nice to see you. And I hope so we'll see you in other certificate courses as well. So thank you for joining this course.
Certainly, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Kumar Mohit, you can unmute yourself.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
All right. My name is Dr. Kumar Mohit String. Uh, I'm a faculty and um, uh, my core subjects that I teach are primarily labor laws, IR, um, and ADR is a very central part of the subjects that I teach. I've done my master's in labor laws and personal management with specialization in IR from Lucknow University. I am right now in Ranchi. I'm talking to you from Ranchi itself. I am also the head of the department for the Human Resource Management program. And the reason that I've enrolled in this program is it took my interest because with the new labor codes that have now been, uh, almost implemented, uh, the entire landscape of the labor law is changed. I have a lot of alumni, students that I've taught who are working in corporates, and those people, they always revert back to me. Maybe because of a long-term wage negotiation or a settlement going on and contractual obligations and all these things. ADR, yes. Even when I speak to the people, because Tata Steel is very close in proximity in Jamshedpur, and the union leaders and all, they come over here, and when they have an interaction session with the students, they always promote across the table talks, that is collective bargaining. So, and real life also, I've seen it works, but then there are certain gray areas, and I just want to get you know a fresh perspective as to how the new labor codes are going to have an impact upon the ADR. There are a couple of finer nuances that have changed, and I just want to absorb the new modalities so that I can I can upgrade myself. I'm still a learner. I'm like, I've done my PhD and everything is there, but then there is no set limit to an individual who can be a student till the last day of his life. So yes, I'm actually excited, and I look forward to a great deal of learning and absorb a lot of knowledge from this place.
Thank you so much, sir. And we are honored to have you because you have a wide range of experience, and your experience will definitely add on to our discussions in the session. So I look forward to have you in the sessions. Thank you for joining this course, sir.
Thank you.
So anybody else who wants to introduce themselves, or we can conclude this session?
If you don't mind, can you let
Yes,
me
sir.
introduce myself,
Yes, sir,
please?
you can.
Talk, ma'am. I want to talk, ma'am.
One second. Please raise your hand, those who wants to speak, because I'm not able to see.
Srinivas, this is
Yes,
Srinivas
sir.
Reddy.
Yes, sir.
Can I speak? Okay. Good evening, everyone. This is Srinivas Reddy. I've done my PhD in 1995 in zoology. And since then, I continued my professional career in preclinical studies, especially drug discovery. So I enrolled in the law program in Hyderabad. Actually, I'm from Hyderabad. So started LLB in 2022. So basically, it motivated by the rapid growth of biotechnology, especially in Hyderabad. I see a lot of companies are coming and making production, research and development. A lot of things are going on. So and so for that reason, I joined in this law program. But while studying, I'm in fifth semester now, third year. So while learning this one, I see the subject alternate dispute resolution, and also so shocked to know that there are 5 crores of 5 crores of pending cases in the courts, and really the courts can resolve these issues whatever they have. So I don't think so. So I definitely ADR is going to play important role, and any lawyer equipped with this IDR skills, right? definitely he can serve better. So that is the reason I joined, and I'm really fortunate to see legal research and analysis offering the courses, special courses like this. So that helps deepen my knowledge. I'm very happy and looking forward to learn more in ADR solutions. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. We are also happy to have you with us, and we hope so we'll be able to serve you as you'll be able to learn something from with us, and we'll able to serve you. So welcome to the course, and thank you for joining this course.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much for everyone.
I want to talk, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sheikh Arman, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. I myself Sheikh Rahman. I am pursuing to become LLB 5 years integrated course. I am come from Kalyan Karnataka, Bidar district, Karnataka, and I am a first law student, ma'am, in my family background. And I have completed my 12th, and I want to become a legal advisor. I have a dream, ma'am, but I want to learn, ma'am.
Okay, Sheikh Arman, thank you for joining this course, and welcome to the profession first, and all the best for your
Yes, ma'am.
future.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for taking the introduction.
And if you need any guidance, we are there to help you, so you can
Yes, ma'am.
contact
Yes,
me.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah,
Yes, Naveen Kumar, you can unmute yourself. Yes, Naveen Kumar, you can unmute yourself. Yes, Nandini Mittal, you can unmute yourself.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Am I
evening.
audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Hello, everyone. I'm Nandini, and I come from a very fresh background to law, just as a fresher, as a student. I come basically from a school background and surrounded by so many seniors here. I joined this course out of genuine interest in ADL methods and dispute resolution. Even though I'm coming from a school background, I've completed my 12th in 2025, and I do have a pinch of interest in legal studies, and I'll be pursuing BLLB honors with NLU in coming batch. It's a pleasure to be the part of the certificate course with LRA team and under the guidance of Vishal sir. And thank you so much.
Thank you, Nandini, for coming up and introducing yourself, and thank you for joining this course. And all the best for your future. Hope so you'll get a good NLU and you'll join a course there, and hope so you'll be learning something with us in the certificate course.
Of course, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Akshat, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. This is Akshat Seth. So, a bit about myself. I'm an MBA in HR, did it from Xavier's, and then I work with KPMG as an HR, and then I work with the Boston Consulting Group as a performance management expert until 2019. After that, I returned to my hometown, Saharanpur, and there were a lot of ancestral property disputes that my family was facing. So for the last 5 to 7 years, fortunately, I've turned them in my favor by reading extensively on the subjects of law, and that developed my interest in law. In fact, I did most of my legal drafting myself with limited guidance. And I also fought my cases and presented it in front of judges in the trial courts. So that gave me a lot of exposure. And I do a lot of reading in law, politics, social justice. And now I'm a third party litigation funder as well. So ADR is obviously the next step. So it's a very interesting field. I think a lot of people need to know about it in terms of clients. And I think a lot of lawyers have a responsibility in educating their clients about ADR because it works counterintuitively. Typically advocates wouldn't want that to go out, but I think that's a big field, and in future people would want to save their energy, time, and efforts in meaningless litigations, especially in family disputes regarding properties.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Couldn't
you.
agree more. And actually, even now, advocates wants to go for these type of mechanism, because no, we also don't want to go for litigation procedure because that is so lengthy. Even from filing of the case, it is very lengthy. So these type of mechanism helps us also. So thank you for joining this course, sir, and hope so you'll be able to get your answer, because you are the one who asked for Vishal sir, right?
Yes, I was the one.
Yes, sir. So thank you for joining this course, and you have a wide range of experience. So we'll also be able to learn something from you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, so now I hope so all of you have introduced themselves. Anybody wants to introduce themselves, they can raise their hand. Yes, Samira Sheikh, you can unmute yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Advocate Samira Kareem from Navi Mumbai, Belapur. I've started my practice in 2021, but last year I shifted my practice from criminal to family law. So the matrimonial mediation part uh, gives me interest to learn something more about in the ADR section. So that's why I joined the course.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining this course, and I hope so you'll be able to learn something with us, and we'll be able to serve you and meet your
Thank you.
expectation.
Thank you.
So now I'm concluding this session. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you to our chief guest and our faculty member, and to all the participants who have joined today and came up and introduced themselves. Thank you all for joining this session. Now we'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be having our first session. So please join the session, and please keep your cameras on and keep your microphone off so that there is no disturbance and we have an interactive session. Hope so. See you all tomorrow.
Ma'am, is there any some predicts for tomorrow's session, ma'am?
Sorry?
Is there any some predicts for tomorrow's session, ma'am?
No. Tomorrow is just an introduction session because tomorrow is our first session. So we'll just have an introduction about ADR procedure, ADR methods.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.